Hello there, all you cool cats and kittens. It's Steven here, the Drunken Sommelier, coming to you with tagliquorstores.com, celebrating the fakest holiday of the year. That's right, St. Paddy's Day. Two of my favorite things. Got Strongbow dry apple cider, and I got Guinness Irish Stout, my all-time favorite. How could I make them both better? I'm gonna combine them together to make a cocktail called the Snake Bite. That's right, the Snake Bite. Whatever snakes do. Really easy cocktail here, mind-blowing result. What I'm gonna do, take my Strongbow, gonna pour it into a glass, fill it about half or 3/4 full. I just like a little splash of Guinness at the end, do whatever you want. Now, pour the Strongbow in there. What I'm gonna do then, I need a little tool, a little strainer, something like that, like for a martini shaker, or you can even use a spoon. Just kind of pour the Guinness on top of the spoon or on top of the strainer so it lands in the Strongbow like a butterfly with sore feet. That's gonna cause it to float. Little Guinness float makes a beautiful looking drink, very simple, festive, delicious, can drink literally 1,000 of them. Happy St. Patrick's Day, be safe, make sure you order your Guinness and Strongbow. Right here, kids, order online, tagliquorstores.com, delivery to your door. Cheers to you. Happy St. Patrick's Day. It's magically delicious, or whatever they say. Cheers.